Okay, the pec fly. So pec fly with straight arms is a controversial way of doing things, but realistically, if you don't train your joints in a manner in which they're going to get used, then they will get injured in real life. And when you're carrying shopping bags, for example, then you're going to have straight arms. So pec fly done with straight arms looks like this. So things to think about are obviously keeping the arms locked straight, but also you want to be making sure your shoulders are protracted, your biceps are engaged the whole time. So when you protract your shoulder, you sort of pre-tension your bicep and then keep the engagement through the bicep throughout the motion. You'll lower it down to, in this case, the floor. You might be able to get a little deeper if you have a way to elevate yourself off the floor slightly. Or if you do it on a cable system. But we'll keep it nice and simple so you can do it at home. Use a couple of dumbbells and just lay on the floor. That is the pec fly.